Good morning from snowy North Carolina. You ever wonder how people build their homes when they're inside the building industry? Well, we're taking a snow day here because none of our contractors are showing up. Blizzard in North Carolina. But this is somebody I've been mentoring, built his own home. So this is the first time I'm seeing it. I've been helping him with materials and everything, and he said that Mike Palmer Homes really had a strong influence on this, because his wife runs a cleaning company and they're always in our houses checking out every detail, and took lots of ideas from our house. And we supplied the stone, we supplied the brick, and we really helped did the flooring on this. So we feel some ownership, and I love to mentor people. I love to encourage people to take on projects themselves like I did. So our wonderful framer in Selma has done a heck of a job here with this house. I just pulled up, was pretty amazed. But we went with, he's got a brick front, he's got stone accents. Now I will give him a little demerit because we got some of the orange mud on the stone, but he'll be able to get that off. We got stone accents, did a beautiful job with the stairs, nice columns. I like these details up in the gable. Now they're not quite the cedar ones that we've used before, but they're still very, very attractive. He went with a windows, he just went with no grid, just a clear window. He went with the coach lights over top of the garage. Sometimes we do them over top. Sometimes we do them on the side. Went with a real wood soffit, gives it a great look. It does have to be painted up there. It's something I don't do that often, but it really does give, I mean, not a real wood, it's composite, but it's not vinyl. And then the staggered shake, did some shake accents. Looks like it's semi-gloss paint up there. The front porch, well, garage doors, they're crossbuck pattern there, and windows, that would look. You better look at the stairs. They got snow all over them, but they're curved. It's got a flagstone top, and it's Pennsylvania ledgestone that we use. And I love the wide angles on the side. Deck rail, did a wrought iron picket with wood top and bottom. And they did go with a wood deck here. One times we're usually doing concrete, a little more expensive. But this is a nice wood deck. And he did do tongue and groove wood ceiling, but this has got a V bevel instead of the beaded one that we usually see, but it did a great job nonetheless. And of course a stone accent on that gable over there. That's Pennsylvania ledgestone. So let's go inside and take a look. Oh, we got a mahogany front door, Flemish glass. There's going to be a light fixture up above. Now going inside, got to get my shoes off. First thing I notice is we've got big, tall, 8-foot doors, the Cheyenne pattern. They went with the decor switches. We're going to be putting some smart switches in our homes too that you can control with the Echo Dot. That's coming. Have timers on them. Crown mold. That is a 4-piece crown. You got a piece of baseboard up top, bottom, or I'm sorry, 3-piece crown, and that's called Curtis crown. That pattern. Distributed audio, speakers in the ceilings, go with the TV, and fireplace not done yet, but fireplace underneath the TV. And the smoke alarm is barking at us. Got a window seat, just like what you see in my houses. This trim is called RB3, it's just a different profile, wider trim. I did true window stools on the bottom, 7-inch baseboard. Now the ceiling in the master, did a great job with the ceiling. Nice crown mold up there. They've got curved corners on the sheetrock, and a double tray with speakers up there. And in the bulkheads they put can lights. All right, now apparently they really liked a lot of our tile selections. Now our tile selections are made by our customers and our designers, so I can't claim credit for them, but I like this. It's kind of the clean lines. It does have an accent line, a nice brick pattern, frameless door. This is actually a really, really nice shower. And they did granite threshold, granite tops like we like to do. So we're definitely seeing our influence in here. And shower head. There's your brick pattern accent. And we got square sinks. Granite. And that's how we always do our hardwood. Finished in place. We can take responsibility for these. We did supply and install these. He went with instead of a wire shelf, a real shelf. They do add cost, but they are nicer. Oh, and look. See, up in the attic, I don't know if you can see that, spray foam insulation there's some cost to that, but it sure is a nice upgrade. Anyway, he's going to get some cushions there. He did like a shadow box trim underneath. It may steal that. That's a good looking trim. Alright, let's check out the kitchen. New fridge, big island with legs. Sometimes we just do a straight overhang. He did that with legs. Range hoods up inside the cabinet. This was done by Lake Norman Granite, our same supplier. He did go with the OGs, this edge profile. It does add some cost, but it is a nice profile. And we got chair rail and another window seat. 2 window seats. He really is going after that Mike Palmer home look. That I can take credit for. And the backyard looks beautiful in the snow. Oh, look at that fireplace with our stone that we supplied. The outdoor fireplace. I gotta check out this porch. This is gonna be really cool. Getting excited now. Alright, again, an 8-foot door. That's like a front door with side lights that they got going out to their porch, but alright, they did a shake wall on the inside, staggered shake. Getting knotty pine, tongue and groove ceiling with a bevel. He's got speakers out there. You got Mirrortech wrap full columns on this porch. But look, they got a wood burning there, and they've got like a retaining wall. Steps up over there, all the way around. Wood burning fireplace with chimney. I'm sure it's going to look great once the snow melts. And I see none of this stone has the red mud on it, so that makes me happy. And a wood deck out here. Oh, I can see the back patio, stamped concrete. I'm a little worried that I'm paying my framer too well. Oh, that's a hardy plank siding. I really like the bottom accent board. That's something we do as well. Alright, so when you look out of the kitchen to the great room, again, we've got the 3-piece crown. You've got that arch with rounded corners. Nice job with these details. So let's look in here. Laundry room. They went with tile floor in the laundry room. I usually do wood. It looks like some fancy new washer and dryer. And they went with actually real kitchen cabinets. They don't match the front. Hopefully there were some leftovers they got, because I don't like spending a fortune in the laundry room, because you don't entertain guests in here. Sink. The thing I like about sinks, I like them without the legs, because to me the legs are just there to get kicked, and also there always seems to be a little crud around there. Here you can store things under it, and there's nothing all that pretty about a utility sink. They're made for utility. Now this pantry, oh look at this. Look at this pantry. Okay, it's got a countertop. Got big shelves there, small shelves. Goodness, looks like there's enough space here to feed a small restaurant. Oh, this is something. I love having access to the whole house shut off. You ever had an emergency or you want to go away for a week, it's nice to just shut all the water off. But underneath here, we've got some great spaces. Great spaces for storage. And we've got that, I don't know what it is, but it's in here. Looks interesting. Okay, a staircase. I went with a Craftsman style newel. Went with this thick wrought iron, stagger pattern. They're oak treads, finished oak treads, oak rail. And the dining room, look at this. Very nice light fixture. Okay, they went with a pattern, diamond and squares on the ceiling. There's a tray with a piece of Curtis crown, bull nose, and a 3-piece crown. So a lot of trim accents in here. They went real heavy on this, and this is kind of like, I guess we call it a judge's panel, but it's got 2 sections. It's got a upper and lower, and a bull nose, curved nose sill on top. Here, okay, that's the media closet. All the electronics. This looks like an office study here. So I guess that's going to be for the 2 desks. And they went with the real wood register on the air ducts. I had mixed feelings about those. They look great. I love them. However, they do restrict airflow. Looks like they might have an oversized register there, but I'm worried about restricting airflow. And the metal ones don't look as good, but they do tend to become invisible. But it's a great looking feature either way. And once again, granite top, square sinks. And as always, elongated bowl. I get fussed at by the realtors. Comfort height, elongated bowl toilet for leaving that open. This is shiplap. Shiplap back behind the commode. And this is cast iron tub with a tile surround. It is a great looking feature. We don't do it as often, just a lot of times it's a cost issue. It does cost more. You know, on a tub that's going to be covered with a shower curtain, so sometimes we leave that out just to keep costs down. But man, it is a good looking shower. I really like that accent piece because we're not doing as many of the accents because the clean lines are in. The busier accents are not in, but this to me just looks understated. It's really nice, but it's not too busy. It's not too much going on, and it really blends in there well. So I'm really feeling it on that. And of course a niche. Niche is always nice. I like the niche to be simple. Some people like to put the glass accent back here. Either way, I like them, but I kind of like the understated. Anyway, they did a nice job with that, and it looks like they've just got a linen area here they can put some shelves in. Some extra space. Well, what do we got in here? This. Alright, this goes to the garage. Of course, with nice brick steps. And it's a garage. They keep stuff. A nice big garage. Oh, they built, look at this drop zone. Got a really cool drop zone. It's where kids can drop book bags and everything. Now that is trimmed awfully nicely with beadboard for a garage, but kids can put their boots and, hooks for coats and all their stuff. Because there wasn't a great spot in the house, so they put it out there. Still works. Now this is something we do a lot, chair rail and shadow box. That's the chair rail there, and these squares are called shadow boxes. Now he did something different that we do. He put the outlets here, and the trimmers have to work around them. I usually like to put them down in the baseboard. That's what we've been doing. That way they're out of the way, so when trimmers do these boxes, it's not in their way. Either way, you work it out. It comes out fine. Now let's go check out upstairs. I'm seeing some cedar beams in this great room. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Cedar beams on the roof. We've got recessed can lights and speakers in here. There's going to be quite a room. Oh, and a window seat. A third window seat. Now I'm getting jealous. I only have 2 in my house. Window seat there. It's going to be a TV. Looks like we've got a bedroom over here. This with a high ceiling. I know it's just another bonus room, but okay. There's a Mike Palmer dormer. Lots of natural light in here. Okay, and you've got somebody's old log cabin over there. It's a nice looking view of that. We did some arches, some arched ceiling, some arched doorways. We've got a vaulted ceiling. It's a nice big bonus room. That. Okay, here's a rec room or office. It's got double glass doors, open or close for an office. Once again, a vaulted tray ceiling. And I can just tell looking at it, that's our same cabinet supply we use, Lake Norman granite, but they put a nice wine rack, so that's going to be your mini fridge. It's kind of like your little wet bar, although it's not a sink, but it's still going to have a fridge and wine bar. Railing, oak railing, wrought iron pickets. Looks like his wife did a great job, okay. It's another bonus room with a TV. Look at that trim work. Isn't that cool? That's the way you jazz up a vaulted ceiling. Usually with vaulted ceilings I won't do much trim because it's hard to make it look right, but I think they hit this one out of the park. I really like that. That does look quite cool. And they got the wooden... I'm not sure what to do. I'm not sure how to describe that shape, that planetary orbit shape. But you see a lot of that in there. Okay, I guess and there's TV. I guess it's supposed to be a bedroom because you've got this great tub in here. You've got his and hers. Okay, I guess that was a guest bedroom downstairs that I thought was the master. Because this is the master suite. Because this is nice. But you've got this great tub here. You've got the pedestal style fixture for it, and you got a wand. Attachable wand. They did a tile splash floater all the way up. Sometimes we leave that drywall, sometimes we leave that tile. They got tile surround, half wall, or call that tile wainscoting, and they have this great transom window here for natural light. So you can see the trees, you can see the snow, you get natural light, but nobody can see it because it's up high. And frameless shower door. It's kind of a cave shower effect, but not quite. It's got dual fixtures, his and hers, so nobody waits for the shower. And you've got the same brick pattern accent. It's a little bit different color than the other ones. It's got a little browner here instead of the gray, but it's still consistent with that theme. Mosaic on the floor, and you've got the shelf bench for sitting on, shaving legs, and 2 niches, his and hers niches. This is a great bathroom. Look at this. Oh, again, they put the outlets over here on the side. It's really hard to put them in the mirror. I think here they need one. They need ones with the USB ports. And what we're going to be doing in ours, right next to the bed, is where the bed's going to go. We're going to be putting the plugs with the USB ports. You can plug your chargers in. All right, master suite up. And we've got Nest thermostats, the electronic ones. You can control with the internet. Dimmer switches, decor switches, dimmer, or no, that's a volume control. I'm sorry. Like that. Brand new TV for mom and dad's room. Let's see if there's another room over here. Nope. So I think that concludes it. But this is a fantastic house for the first time. This is I love seeing people that we can influence. I love seeing them knock it out of the park like they did here. A beautiful home. We appreciate you watching our site. If you liked what you see on our channel and find any value in it, we'd appreciate if you hit the like or subscribe button. Once again, thank you for watching our site. And if you have any questions, feel free to call us at the numbers below.